do-it-yourself Dell. We were in the middle of talking about this heater when we had our circuit was interrupted, and so I'll continue talking about this one. We've got a switch here that it looks like it's an icon. It's a temperature icon. You press it and it says right now we're at 76 degrees, but you can press it again at 74. And I usually keep it down lower, but I think this is the power. Nope. It still feels, yeah, I guess that's the power right there. There's a timer here, so let's turn the power back on, and let's see what this thing here, that says L3, which I don't remember what that means. And there's an L3 again, L2.
That's the brightness of.
Oh, okay. So that's the brightness of the logs and the flames behind that. So, and then here's a timer, which says 14. So I imagine that might mean that it's going to run for 14 minutes. I never use the timer, so I don't really know that much. But if 74 is not good enough, and from just me putting my hand this close to the bottom, my fingers are burning. It's 74 is plenty for me. But here, there's 72, 70, 68. It's down to 64. And let's see how low it'll go. 62, okay. 62, and then it goes to 0F. I don't know what that means. And then it starts at 86. So I imagine 60 to 86 are your parameters there. So normally when I turn this on, I take it down a ways, because it's, for my purposes, I'm not that far away from it, and I kind of got it aimed at me so I can be looking at the TV and be within the range of the heater. So, as I said, continuing before, the combination of these two items, or one or the other. This one turns off again when you lay it down. Turns on. There are no adjustments for heat. You move it closer towards you for more heat, farther away for less. And you can angle it towards you, towards whatever. Got a little bit of play there, the way we set up the wires. So these are two items that I think, in addition, in conjunction with the regular household heating, which in this case is natural gas. Those three things. And also, if you could swing the camera over and look at the big TV for a second. They tell me that even though that's providing no heat, psychologically it is. So the TV's coming in handy in more ways than one. It feels like it's warmer just looking at that. So those three things plus the household heat. And as I said, I don't know how we got unplugged there a few minutes ago, so I don't know how much of what I was saying got left out. But what was I? I guess you might have to see what I said before, and I hope nothing important got set on the side. So that's about it. Just a couple ideas about that, because it's getting colder in this part of the country, and I hope this helps, as always. So adios for now.